Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making Loco Moco. A list of ingredients and measurements are in the description. The ingredients are ground beef, chopped onions, panko, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, salt and pepper, milk, soy sauce. Mix thoroughly and set it aside for about 30 minutes. We will now make the gravy. Add your beef stock to a large mixing bowl, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, cornstarch. Whisk all ingredients together. Make 4 large patties or 5 if you like. In a large pan, heat half tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat and place the patties gently on the pan. Cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes. Scoop out some of the grease and saute the onions. Add mushrooms. When onions and mushrooms are cooked, pour gravy into the pan. Mix, then add salt, then mix again to thicken the gravy. Boil for 5 to 6 minutes. You can add more water if the sauce thickens. Heat oil in a pan, then fry an egg. Now begin plating. I use brown rice for this recipe. You can also use any kind of rice that you like. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.